The sun rises peacefully. The grass grows freely. The Garden of Eden, we are always seeking a paradise to live in. Integrate nature into your life. Brighten up your space. We're EdenVert, a greenery solution provider. As an artificial plant manufacturer with 10 years experience, we are dedicated to providing beautiful greenery solutions to our global partners, including importers, wholesalers, contractors, chain stores, and all different sales channel customers. Brighten up your space, which always reminds us to never stop innovating and offers you the best. We are always seeking the pursuit of good quality, from first step of choosing raw materials to every step of production process. We seek the best and guarantee the quality which we offer. The automatic modes endows production lines with higher efficiency and accuracy. We have more than 60 manufacturing lines to satisfy large orders globally. We commit to creating new and unique products with excellent quality, natural appearance, and safety. Based on rigorous production and quality control, our products are tested to UVA 3000 hours, REACH, ROSE, PAS, and other leading laboratory test standards. Besides, we adhere to the environmental concept, brings out certified standards, healthy and environment-friendly, lead-free, heavy metal-free, and no substance of very high concern. We have more than 200 products and keep innovating new products every year. Artificial hedge mats, artificial vertical garden, artificial fence, and artificial topiary. We know what the market needs and offers the best. What we do is not limited to this. All staff go through a rigorous and continuous training program to understand best how to serve our global customers. Customized design, customer online meeting, perfect before and after sales, professional production, punctual delivery. We care about your every step. Unparalleled reputation, superior quality, customized option. We're EdenVert.